Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Please don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. Grandpa is not a financial planner. And if you would, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so Wednesday, we got big news on the pivot point here on Monday. Grandpa's going to tell you all about it, and you need to know this. Also, the fair opening price, in my opinion, about that. Okay, Tesla traded in a range from high to low today of $22.53. We started out with a high of 345.87, actually gapping down pretty substantially to get there. But anyway, we had a low of 323.31. However, after hours, we dipped down to 321.40 prior to the 8 o'clock close. It's bounced back up some now. It's right around, what is it? Right around 225 or so. We closed at 328.49 today. Okay, tomorrow morning at 8:30 pre-market a.m. Eastern Time, the CPI report is coming out. And I have no idea if it's going to be good news or bad news, and it probably doesn't matter which way, but I'll guarantee you they will move the market one way or the other based on that report, very likely. So you might want to be watching at 8:30 to see which way we're going to go. Maybe Grandpa will come on and do a live stream during that time. I don't know yet. Birthday party, we had Tempe's birthday party, and it was a lot of fun. Grandpa got cake and all kinds of goodies. Okay, Tesla's still overbought, but it's coming down some. You know, being overbought ain't the end of the world. It's more of a risk-reward thing than anything. We did have a death cross today. It hit at 247.50, and so we got about $26 out of that death cross in the 5-minute chart today. Grandpa called that out this morning in a live stream. Let's see, what else do I got here? Our new pivot point, this is very important. Our new pivot point, top pivot point, is 367.20. I was wondering if that was it. I would have let you know a couple hours ago, but like I say, Grandpa was at a birthday party. So your new top pivot point is 367.20. And that happened about 10 o'clock on Monday night, actually, I believe, that transpired. Let's see. So, you know, we're looking for the new bottom pivot point. Does Grandpa think that this 321.40 is our new bottom pivot point? I do not. I do not think that will be our new bottom pivot point. I think this thing is going down. Okay, divergence. Divergence. Where did I write divergence the second time? Because we got, okay, here it is. Volume decreased 54 million shares on falling prices. Approximately 150 million shares were bought and sold today. So we're losing our volume, but we still had pretty good movement. I like that. And like I say, the indexes were all down, but Tesla really underperformed. We literally have dropped from 367.20, even though we couldn't trade there. We could trade up and through around the 361 area. They let us play, and they went up another $6 after that and goofed around. So that's where we got our new top pivot point. And blinking today, we had a lot of blinking in as of late in the 347 area, and down around the 315. 285 was blinking, pulling us down. 315 area throughout the day. 362 up above was blinking for a while. So, okay, let's see. What else do we got? Let me see. Oh, here, over the next 60 to 90 days, overall price range would be possibly 435 on the top, 435, and 285 on the bottom. So, maybe that 285 will hold. I do not know. But, so, it will not surprise me at this point to see the 270, 272 area. On the upside, you have a resistance at the 232.50, which is your fair opening price for Wednesday. Tomorrow, the fair opening price is 232.30, and what I want to say about that is I'll be surprised if we hit it. I'll be surprised if we even get it. It might come within $1 of it. This is Grandpa's opinion, though. Grandpa calculates the fair opening price, but we took quite a dive down, and the trend is absolutely down now. The dominant trend is down also because we have a sell signal in the daily, and we've had it all along. So that's still down, and now we have a top pivot point, so that we're looking for a new bottom pivot point, and I'm telling you, it will go down until we get one. I mean, it could be 257. That would be underneath. Or the 265, but I think if we break 250, if we break through 270 area, I think you'll very likely see the 257. Buying opportunity all the way. Okay, so upside resistance 232.50 followed by 251. Is it possible to get there? Yeah. Do I think it's going to? No. But that's only Grandpa's opinion. Downside, we have support at 315. We've already got a new low of 321.40. You've got a little bit of support. You don't really even have support there at the 310, 315. It's more of a place where it's stagnated for a bit. Your only real support is in that 285 area, followed by 272, followed by around 257. That's your downside support. And like I say, at this point in time, I think you'll probably see the 272. And my opinion on my opening price, Grandpa calculates the fair opening price of 232.50. That's where it should open if it was fair. There is nothing fair about what's going on. So we might get it. I just think we're going to come up a little short. My opinion is if you're getting close to the 232 area and you're long, you might want to readjust. Let's see. We got Jeff. Jeff says, I'm breathless. Jeff goes, someone take my phone away. Jeff Mom goes, hope Grandma is right. Jeff goes, won't matter when it's 500. And then he goes, now I'm despondent. Oh, that Jeff, he's a hoot. He's out there buying shares. Well, I gave him the fair opening price. I texted it to him. I probably shouldn't have. And I think he bought shares like a wild man. But I hadn't finished my report, you know. So Grandpa has to go to birthday parties once in a while. But yeah, and like Jeff says, the truth is, uh, it's about 68 days now till Trump will be in office with Elon. And when they remove those regulations, 400 will come so fast your eyes will water, followed by 500, 700. Uh, and look at this as an opportunity. You know, look at this as an opportunity. Get all the shares you can. This bus is going to run, and when they're gonna take you down, and but when they go back up, this thing just flies. It just flies. So have a little fun, have a little patience, be a little patient. Uh, that's what Grandpa says. Have a little patience. Okay, so Grandma, she had fun today. She ran around and got leaves with Dorina, and oh, what a grandma! And we had fun at the birthday party. 9 years old, can't hardly believe it. Okay, think about eternity once in a while. Grandpa does. Jeff, don't you be too despondent. You're gonna be fine. Bye bye.